In my last video, I called out a viral AI trading strategy. The response was absolutely massive. We are talking 8 comments. But I just couldn't leave those 8 people hanging. So I spent my whole evenings on this while working full time. He never shared the actual code, which is perfectly fine. He just showed the prompts he used. So I had to reconstruct the entire thing from scratch in Python just from that. And yes, I use AI to help me build it and speed up the process, which is perfectly fine. I went through everything, every parameter combination I could think of, and I just couldn't get to his numbers. I was starting to seriously doubt these results were actually a real output of this model. And then I found it. One line right there on his own dashboard. And it explains everything. Just as a quick recap. This is what he's claiming. 233% return, 99 trades, sharp of 1.46, 200% alpha versus buy and hold. Built in 10 minutes with Claude. I called BS/overfitting in my last video, but I couldn't prove it until now. So I rebuilt the entire model in Python. Same HMM, same 7 states, same confirmation signals, same leverage, same date window. I ran it over and over and I just couldn't get anywhere near 233%, not even close. I went through every single line of logic, checked the entry conditions, checked the exit conditions, tried different parameter combinations, and I kept thinking, what the F am I missing? How is he getting 233% on an asset that returned 34% in the same period? And then I looked closer at his dashboard. Not the numbers, the small print. Right there in the subtitle of his own dashboard, it says, Grid Optimized, Leveraged Alpha, version 2.0. Most people scroll right past that. I almost did too. But if you know what grid optimization actually means, that one line explains the entire 233%. Here is what grid optimization is in plain English. You build a model, then you brute force every single combination of parameters through it. Every setting, every confirmation threshold, every cooldown period, every hold time, hundreds of combinations. And then you just pick the one that produced the best historical results. Take a screenshot, make a video, sell access. I'm just kidding. That is obviously not a trading strategy. That's a parameter search. And it's completely meaningless for future trading because you already knew the answers before you started. So I ran my own grid optimization. Same model, same data, 240 parameters combinations. And look what I found. I got there, or at least close to there. Not because I'm smart, not because my model is better, just because I searched through enough combinations until the backtest looked good. Exactly what he did. The difference is, I am telling you that's what I did. And this is the thing about AI that nobody talks about in this crazy hype. When you don't actually know what you're doing, and clearly that's the case here, AI doesn't save you. It just automates the mistake faster. Claude didn't build a hedge fund strategy. It built a grid search wrapper with a pretty dashboard. And then someone put a price tag on it. The evidence was right there in the title, Grid Optimized, in plain sight, on the dashboard he filmed himself using. Now, if there is enough interest, I am happy to go through the full model and show you how to actually build this properly, out of sample testing, real transaction costs, walk forward validation, everything you would need to know if this actually works or not. But let's be honest, I'm not going to spend my evenings on that for 1K or 2K views. Everything I've done in these 2 videos, the date window reverse engineering, the dumb benchmark test, the full HMM reconstruction, the grid optimization code, is available in the channel membership. It's basically just code access. No course, no promises, just the actual work so you can run it yourself. But I'm not selling you a strategy. I have never and I never will. It's $15 a month and it directly helps me keep doing this. That's it. No more, no less. If this kind of content is useful to you, that's how you support it. Thanks a lot and I'm looking forward to seeing the upcoming videos. Cheers. Bye bye.